Welcome back to KyeStudio's new microbit smart home products channel. Today, we'll be exploring project 3.47, distance detection. Let's open the downloaded tutorial file and find the course code. It is about measuring distance using an ultrasonic sensor mounted on a trash can. Next, open the browser and search for the microbit web page. Click to go to the official website and find MakeCode Editor and click to enter it. Drag the code into MakeCode to view and analyze it. Connect to the development board via USB. Upload the code. The ultrasonic module detects the distance of obstacles ahead the trash can and shows the result on the LCD display. You can also create your own distance detection code. Just install the @_KyeStudio and Sonar extensions. Follow us for more fun coding adventures like this.